Is this your first service with us here at Alterlife? Just look towards me. Without any problem, without any issue. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful skin. Wow. I'm going to go ahead and put some latex gloves on. Just because the mask would numb my fingers. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to dab it over your skin, okay? All right. Just take a look at the light here. Hi, come on in. Please take a seat. How are you doing today? Good, good. Did you have a hard time finding us? No? Okay, good. Glad to hear. All right. Well, let's go ahead and get started. I do have here that you're in for a booking with our dermatology clinic. That would be me. I'm Gabrielle. I'll be your doctor today. Okay. And there is another note here that you would potentially be interested in a facial and lip fillers. Is that still the case? Okay, perfect. Well, before we get started with the treatments today, I'm going to go ahead and just fill out a little customer intake form. It won't take too long. All right, thank you. Can I get the spelling of your first name, please? Okay, and your last name. Your date of birth. Okay, and your phone number. And are you set up for Telegram? Can you accept that through your phone? Okay, perfect. Your address. And what is your X-chip ID number? Okay. And when was your last X-chip update? Okay, was that of this month? Right. And which brand is your X-chip? Okay. Is this your first service with us here at Alterlife? Okay, welcome. And all right, your reason for being here, we have filler and a little bit of some facial work. No problem. Now, I will ask you a bit more of a comprehensive questionnaire a little bit later on when it comes to your lip filler. However, before we get started, there may be some procedures I do here that require some creams and stuff like that. So I want to make sure that we ask this before we move forward. But do you have any allergies or any sensitivities to anything? Or is your skin known to be more hypersensitive to new products? Okay. Yeah, no, even if it's sensitive, we could still continue. We just have a different line of products we would use in that case. Okay. All right. Now, do you have any questions or concerns before we get started? No? Okay. All right. Well, just sit back. Relax. Take a deep breath, and we'll get started. Thank you. So up first, we're going to go ahead and do a DermisScan. DermisScan is what Alterlife here uses to go ahead and do a facial map structure scan of your face. I'll read a little bit of a detail about it. It might give you a little bit better idea about the process and maybe ease your mind on the procedure. So just take a look here at the HUD screen, and I'll run through a bit of information, okay? Thank you. So utilizing state-of-the-art nanotechnology and advanced bioimaging algorithms, DermisScan offers a seamless and precise analysis of the skin at a cellular level. This device maps the surface of the skin, and using advanced spectroscopic techniques, it penetrates deep into the dermal layers, capturing detailed images of every cell, pore, and molecule. Through a combination of hyperspectral imaging and neural network analysis, DermisScan constructs a comprehensive 3D model of the patient's facial skin. This scan creates a detailed map that reveals any underlying issues, from acne and inflammation to cellular damage and melanin distribution. So once the scan is complete, the data is processed through a sophisticated AI system, which generates a personalized skincare report in real time. This report provides a detailed analysis of the patient's skin health, highlighting problem areas, identifying potential risks, and recommending a tailored treatment solution. Okay. How does that sound? Perfect. All right, so to get started here, I'm just going to go ahead and sanitize my hands. Have you ever had a face scan like this done before? No? It's quite fun. The first time you do it, you get a little bit frightened because you're like, what's all that stuff under my skin? But I assure you, it's normal. Everybody has, you know, acne, a little bit of acne, a little bit of inflammation, stuff like that. So it's not a fret, okay? All right. This is what the device looks like. This is the Alterlife face scan, DermisScan. So let me go ahead and just program the settings for our needs. You won't feel anything. The most I'm going to ask you to do is just rotate your head in different directions, but otherwise you can just stay comfortable in your position as you are. Thank you. All right. Just look towards me. All right. And can you raise your head up? Lift your chin. Thank you. All right. Next, can you bring your chin to your chest? Excellent. All right, and lastly, just look over to the right. Okay, and then look to the left. Perfect. Thank you. No, it doesn't take long at all. Let's see. All right, the results are in. Let's take a closer look. So let's start with the good news. Your skin shows remarkable resilience and overall health. However, the scan did reveal a few areas of concern. You can see here, particularly the T-zone. You can see there's a heightened level of inflammation, likely due to increased sebum production and environmental factors. This could be contributing to occasional breakouts in this area for you. The scan also detected areas of cellular damage along the cheekbones, possibly caused by sun exposure or stress. So what you're seeing here are the individual cells affected by inflammation and damage. By addressing these issues at a cellular level, we can promote healing and restore your skin's vitality. Oh yes, we're going to sort all this out for you today. So our advanced treatments are designed not only to address visible concerns, but also target underlying issues for long-lasting results. Okay? So it's really nothing to be frightened about here, just a little bit of some inflammation in the T-zone, and otherwise your skin's not in bad health. Okay, so let's move along with your procedures here today, okay? First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to prep your skin and cleanse your skin before we move forward with any other more intrusive procedures, if that's okay. Excellent. So first, we're going to start with the QuantumGlow cleanse. So before I go ahead and explain that, I'm just going to wipe off the makeup you have on your face right now. Any lotion, SPF that might have lingered behind, if that's okay. Thank you. I'm just going to use these clean pads here. Perfect. Excellent. Almost done. Beautiful. Thank you so much. All right. So if you just take a look here at the HUD screen, I'll go ahead and explain what the QuantumGlow cleanse is. So designed to cleanse and prepare the skin for advanced treatments, QuantumGlow cleanse combines groundbreaking nanotechnology with bioactive ingredients to deliver a transformative cleansing experience unlike any other. As it makes contact with the skin, it undergoes a remarkable transformation. Microscopic nanobots embedded within the gel activate, swiftly navigating the skin's surface with unparalleled precision. These nanobots function as molecular scavengers, detecting and neutralizing impurities, pollutants, and even dormant pathogens that lurk within the skin's layers. QuantumGlow Cleanse employs a proprietary blend of bioactive enzymes and peptides that penetrate deep into the pores, dissolving excess sebum, dead skin cells, and environmental toxins. The result is a thorough and gentle cleansing process that leaves the skin purified, revitalized, and primed for subsequent treatments. QuantumGlow Cleanse optimizes the skin's physiological state. Microencapsulated vitamins, antioxidants, and hydrating agents are released upon application, infusing the skin with nourishment and fortification. All right, so here we have it. So for the QuantumGlow Cleanse, we have here the product. close your eyes and relax. I'm going to apply it to your cheeks here, then to the other cheek. Perfect. Just to dispense the product. Go ahead and massage that in. Massaging that into your skin. Yeah, we just want to warm the skin. Massage the product and the cleanser right in. So for this kind of cleanser, it doesn't need to be washed off with water. We're just going to wipe it away. Any residual product will just be absorbed into your skin without any problem, without any issue. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful skin. Wow. You take very good care of it. Excellent. Thank you. All right. So just give that a moment. Just sink into your skin. Let it absorb. Perfect. Okay. That looks just about settled into your skin. Looks like it's been all absorbed. So the next treatment we're going to do is another mask. This one here is more of a numbing mask though, so that it will allow you to experience the following treatments without any discomfort, okay? No need to be frightened or anything like that. I can go ahead and explain the procedure for you, okay? It might ease your mind. Let's take a look at the HUD screen here. Thank you. So we'll be doing the CryoNumb mask. So the CryoNumb mask is a revolutionary solution for pain-free dermatological procedures. Designed to numb the skin while inducing a state of profound relaxation, CryoNumb mask ensures patients experience minimal discomfort during treatments, all without the need of traditional anesthesia. As patients don the sleek Cyro mask, they are enveloped in a cooling sensation that gradually spreads across their face. Embedded within the mask are microcapsules containing a potent blend of cyrogenic agents and neuromodulators meticulously calibrated to induce localized numbness while calming the nerves. So the mask's innovative technology goes beyond mere anesthesia, tapping into the body's own neurochemistry to induce a state of deep relaxation. As the cooling sensation permeates the skin, it triggers a cascade of neurotransmitter release, including endorphins and serotonin, which soothe the senses and alleviate any sense of anxiety or tension. So while CryoNumb mask induces a profound sense of calm, it also has a unique side effect, a gentle fatigue that washes over the patient, lulling them into a state of tranquility. Though they remain fully conscious, they feel as if cocooned in a blissful serenity, their worries and apprehensions melting away. So despite the calming effects, patients remain alert and responsive throughout the treatment, allowing for clear communication with the dermatologist. This ensures optimal safety and comfort while enabling precise execution and treatment. So once the desired level of numbness and relaxation is achieved, CryoNumb mask is gently washed off, leaving the skin primed and ready for the procedure ahead. With the pain receptors dulled and the mind at ease, patients can undergo even the most intricate dermatological interventions with confidence and ease. So we're going to move forward with the Cyro mask. For the application, I'm going to go ahead and put some latex gloves on, just because the mask would numb my fingers. So I want to make sure I don't make any contact with it. No, it wouldn't hurt me or anything like that. It's just I need sensation in my fingers to do the procedure. Of course. All right. So just relax. I love this mask, honestly. It feels so great, and I love the smell. It's really relaxing. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Relax, relax. Beautiful. So our following procedure, I'll talk about that in just a moment, but the reason why we're using this mask is really for this next treatment, just because it will be a little bit of micro abrasions that will be breaking into the skin just a little bit under the layer. So for, some people that have higher sensitivities than others, we just want to make sure that everybody gets this treatment. There's no need to feel any discomfort. Okay. All right. Yeah. So just let that sit in for a moment. great thing with this mask is that once it's ready, it actually starts to sparkle a little bit. So we, as the doctor, we can tell when it's ready. There we go. Looks like the mask is just about set. Okay, how are you feeling? Good. I can tell you look a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more leaned back in your chair. Good, good. That's totally normal. Yeah. Don't worry, you won't fall asleep, but if you do, it is okay. All right. So up next, we're going to do the LRU treatment, okay? Just take a look here on the HUD screen. I'll go ahead and explain the procedure. Thank you. So the revolutionary treatment utilizes the delicate tips of a luminescent rejuvenation urchin, or LRU for short. The urchin's luminescent spikes are composed of a biopolymer matrix infused with nanoscale rejuvenating agents. The nanoagents within the spikes permeate your skin with a cocktail of collagen-boosting peptides, hyaluronic acid molecules, and stem cell activators. As it makes contact with your skin, it will activate dormant cellular pathways and promote rapid regeneration at the molecular level. The nanoagents are tailored to your skin-specific needs, ensuring optimal results with every session. So some examples of what the LRU can treat is wrinkles, so it can remove wrinkles, remove blemishes and imperfections, gives a radiance to the complexion. Now also depending on what color of LRU that you've selected, because there's many out there in nature, these are harvested by scientists and then delivered here at the office every single day, the urchins. So we do have a wide variety of different urchins, but the ones that I've picked for you here today based on your scan that we've done earlier, your DermisScan, it recommended the blue, the yellow, the pink, and the purple urchins, okay? So the way that we receive it here at the office is that we have scientists come and they deliver these every single morning to our clinic, and this is an example of some of the tips of the urchin, and these are what we use to on your skin, and it will give the benefits that we've just discussed here. So we are going to go ahead and use the blue, the yellow, the pink, and the purple with you today, okay? All right. So every patient gets brand new urchins, of course, so none of them are reused. I'm just going to go ahead here, and we are going to start with the blue one. Give me one moment here. I'll get that set up. Okay, so just sit back. Yeah, if you hadn't had the freeze mask, you would feel this. Now, it's not particularly super painful. It's like a jellyfish sting, if you've ever had that or experienced that on a water planet. It is a little bit of a stinging sensation, but for you, you won't experience anything at all. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to dab it over your skin, okay? I'm just going to press it against your skin lightly. There's a little bit of a map that I go ahead and follow, but you can just relax, just rest. I promise it won't hurt, okay? Okay, yeah, so what the blue one does, so the blue one specializes in calming inflamed skin, reducing redness, and soothing irritation. So it restores balance to even the most sensitive of complexions. Yeah, that's why I like starting with it first. I feel like it's a really good primer for the next few that I use. Yeah, you're doing great. Nope, I'm not seeing any swelling, no interactions. Just so you know, the DermisScan would have picked that up. If it would have recognized you would have had allergies to this, we do pre-program the scan to flag any potential issues that there may be with any of the products we use. Yeah. A little bit of a fail-safe for us. Perfect. All right. It's nice, isn't it? So that is the first one. All right, so next here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the green urchin. So the green contains antioxidant-rich compounds to detoxify and purify the skin. It removes any impurities, leaving behind a refresh and revitalized sensation to your face. So go ahead and just extract that. It's green-yellow, depending on, they do the same. The green and the yellow do the same. It just depends what planet they get harvested from. All right, so here we are. Have you ever seen these in the wild? They typically do grow pretty deep in the water, but there are some that are known to grow in caves. Yeah. There also are some mushroom ones if you go to certain planets that are more fungi based. Yeah, I've seen some LRU there. They don't even need to be in the water at all. I think those are more poisonous though, if I'm being honest. Yeah, there's over 20,000 different species of LRU. Yeah. Here at the clinic, we utilize about 20. Our scientists have done extensive studies over the years to explore their properties and what they can do and their benefits. So those are the 20 that we're comfortable to be utilizing in our programs right now. Yeah. All right, so that's that one. So next we have pink. So the pink is infused with a hydrating hyaluronic acid and collagen boosting peptides. It bestows a dewy ethereal glow upon your complexion, erasing fine lines and imbuing your skin with a healthy pearlescent glow. Okay. All right. If you can just turn your head to the side, please. Thank you. Just along your jawline too. You have beautiful bone structure. I'm sure you told that a lot. Yeah, no, I wouldn't recommend using these without the freezing mask. Yeah, just because it would hurt. Everybody's pain tolerance is different, but why experience the discomfort if you don't need to? Yeah. There's other benefits to the Cyro mask too, so I would be using it anyway. Perfect. Just on your full head there. Right, and if you can lift your neck up. Thank you. Yeah, just look up to the ceiling. Just like to make sure we're getting the neck. Thank you. All right. So we do have one more LRU to do today. So that one there would be the purple. So the purple LRU stimulates the production of collagen and elastin. As these rejuvenating agents penetrate deep into the dermal layers, they coax dormant fibroblasts into action, triggering a cellular renewal that restores elasticity and tightens slackened skin. So this is one that sometimes we have patients come in, older patients primarily, which is totally fine, and they're looking to have some of their loose skin on their neck or just like saggy skin around the eyes lifted and tightened without the need of any kind of surgery. And this is exactly what we always recommend. The effects of this can last upwards of a year without any change or difference. So it's quite remarkable. All right. No, It's not that it's only used for like elderly skin. That's absolutely not the case. Many benefits to the purple urchin. Yeah. Those just happen to be the popular reasons why people use it. You'll notice such a difference. Yep. Beautiful. All right. Just up here, around the eyes. Okay, around the lips. The chin. Perfect. All right. Thank you so much. That concludes the LRU treatment. All right. Before we move forward, how are you feeling? Good, good. Are you experiencing any discomfort? No, just relaxed. That's what I like to hear. All right. Well, up next, we're going to do LipRevive, okay? LipRevive is a treatment we're going to do before we do fillers. I'll go ahead and explain it just to ease your mind here on the HUD screen. Just take a look, okay? So LipRevive is a lip mask designed to rejuvenate and prepare the lips for state-of-the-art lip filler treatments. This spa-grade innovation offers a luxurious experience while delivering unparalleled benefits to enhance the results of advanced cosmetic procedures. LipRevive mask envelops the lips in a velvety smooth gel infused with a potent blend of bioactive ingredients and nanopeptides. Instantly, guests feel a gentle cooling sensation as the mask begins its work, soothing and hydrating the delicate lip tissue. The key to LipRevive lies in its advanced formulation, which targets multiple aspects of lip health and aesthetics. First and foremost, it deeply hydrates the lips, replenishing moisture lost to environmental stressors and promoting plumpness and suppleness. The mask harnesses the power of nanotechnology to simulate collagen and elastin production within the lip tissue. Microscopic liposomes penetrate deep into the skin, delivering bioactive compounds that activate cellular regeneration and promote lip volume and definition. LipRevive is formulated to optimize the efficacy of subsequent lip filler treatments. By prepping the lips with hydration, stimulation, and relaxation, it creates an ideal canvas for the precise administration of fillers, ensuring smoother application, enhanced results, and prolonged effects. See? So it's not anything to worry about. It's just a mask that will help make the next step even better. Okay? So it's just a gel mask. Go ahead here and sanitize my hands once again. Yeah, I go through quite a lot in a session, but it's very important to us here. Okay. All right. So, I'm just going to apply some of this to your lips here. You just pucker your lips a little bit for me. Thank you. Perfect. A little bit on your upper lip. Beautiful. There you go. How's that? It smells nice, eh? It does. I agree. So while that mask is just sinking in there on your lips, I'm going to go ahead and follow back up with that lip consultation that I referenced at the beginning of our appointment, okay? I just have a few questions before we move forward with the filler. Okay, so what are your goals? What goals do you have in mind, and why did you come here today requesting lip filler? Okay. Perfect. And do you have any pre-existing medical conditions or any drug allergies? Okay. Have you ever had any previous medical treatments to your lips that we should know about? Okay, perfect. Current medications? Okay, vitamins? Any herbal supplements? No, okay. And do you drink alcohol, take tobacco, or any drug? Okay. No problem. All right. So, any past treatment with soft tissue filler, toxin therapy, laser, or other minimally invasive facial procedure? Okay. All right. So, what I'd like you to do here is take a look at the HUD screen. We have a few different sizes of lips that we recommend to patients, or that are most common, I should say. And you can let me know if any of these are of interest to you. Now, I do know based on what you chatted about just now that I think you might be interested in full lips as far as what your personal goals are, but you may want to consider a different alternative that you might not have thought of before. But otherwise, I think full lips is a great idea for you, okay? But I think any of these options would be beautiful. Yeah, so we could do full lip, we could do a heavy upper lip, we could do round lips, we could do more of a heavy lower lip, heart-shaped lips. Are any of those of interest? You're thinking round lips? Great, see? I'm glad I always kind of show the chart to customers because I feel like sometimes they see something even better, you know, that they would have thought of, they wouldn't have thought of otherwise unless seeing that. Okay, all right. So we'll move forward with the round lips, okay? Perfect. So we do have a couple of options here at the clinic for how we could go ahead and proceed with your lip fillers. The service I would recommend to you today would be our NanoPlump service. Okay, the benefits of the NanoPlump are that it lasts a minimum of 1 year without any changes in appearance, and it has better overall qualities and effects. And if for any reason you don't like it, you can always come back and we can entirely reverse the effects of this treatment here today. So before deciding on NanoPlump, let's go ahead and learn a little bit more about the procedure, okay? I feel like it's very important to be very transparent with the information we have here and how the procedures operate so that you can make an informed decision on if you'd like to proceed, okay? All right, thank you. NanoPlump is a groundbreaking lip filler treatment redefining lip augmentation with precision, longevity, and natural-looking results. NanoPlump leverages cutting-edge nanotechnology and advanced bioengineering to sculpt and enhance the lips in ways never before possible. NanoPlump is administered using an ultrafine needle, which is specifically designed to minimize discomfort and bruising while maximizing precision. The filler solution itself is a marvel of nanotechnology, consisting of biocompatible polymers and bioactive compounds engineered to mimic the natural structure and elasticity of lip tissue. As the NanoPlump filler is injected into the strategic points along the lips, its nanoscale particles disperse evenly within the tissue, seamlessly integrating with the surrounding structures. This results in a smooth, natural-looking augmentation that enhances lip volume, shape, and definition without the risk of lumps and irregularities. So the treatment also stimulates the body's own collagen production, promoting long-term lip rejuvenation and firmness. Over time, the lips appear plumper, smoother, and more youthful, with results that last far beyond traditional lip filler treatments. After the treatment, patients can immediately return to their day activities with minimal downtime. While some minor swelling or bruising may occur, initially these effects typically subside within a few days, revealing beautifully enhanced lips that look and feel completely natural. So after having heard that, would you like to proceed? Yeah? Okay, cool. And were you still thinking of doing the round, more plump lips, both top and bottom? Excellent. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my gloves on. Yeah, because of the mask we did, you won't feel any discomfort with this. The lip mask, yeah. You won't feel these injections at all. Oh. All right. So just sit back, relax. Okay. All right. Start just a few different points here. Beautiful. Just a few more, okay? Yeah, just looking at it, making sure everything's even. I feel like a real artist when I'm doing this. It's beautiful. I take great pride in my work. Alright. Do you mind turning to the side? Okay, on the other side. Okay, if you don't mind, actually look back at me. I'm gonna just fill one last spot here. Perfect. Beautiful. Wow, you are glowing. These treatments they're really, really popping off. They look great. You look amazing right now. It's making me really want to book my own appointment. Yeah, I think I might have to now. I'm jealous. They're beautiful. All right, well, that concludes your services here today. How are you feeling? Good. You look amazing. Your skin is glowing. No discomfort. Yeah, thought so. All right. Well, before I let you go, there is just one little matter of payment that we have to attend to. Do you have Retina IWall enabled? Yeah? Okay. Do you want me to ring that through now? Okay. That way you won't have to bother at the checkout. Okay. All right. Just take a look at the light here. Perfect. Thank you. All right. Just take a moment. There. We just got confirmation for payment. Would you like that receipt sent to you via email? All right. Okay. Well, thank you for choosing Alterlife. If you have any questions or concerns about your treatments, don't hesitate to call. Or you can send a telegram. That's okay too. All right. Take care.